Today we're going to be doing something a little different. Our marketplace has just launched, and we're ready to start inviting the best of the best to deploy their work to our network. We want you to create new PFP projects with at least 5 images, up to 10,000, and submit them to our panel of judges. There are $30,000 worth in prizes up for grabs, with the grand prize being $10K. Yay! It's really easy to enter this hackathon. Simply download and install Ultra so that you have a wallet which we can pay into. Sign up to DevPost so you can submit, create your awesome PFP collection, and submit it via DevPost. All the details are in the description for this video. The hackathon will run from the 3rd of October into the 7th of November, 2022. That's this year. After that, we'll take 2 weeks to select our favorites before we announce them on November 21st. The criteria that we'll be using to judge each submission are broken into 3 categories, which we think will best reflect our dedication to bringing the absolute best to Ultra's network. These are art quality, originality, and community value. The last basically means utility, but it's up to you to determine how to interpret it. Surprise us with your innovation. We'll also be looking forward to seeing some of your work on Twitter and Instagram before the hackathon is finished. Make sure to post previews with the tag Uniq Hackathon so that we can find it. Good luck and have fun.